Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to crack the code on how to count from 1 to 99 in Mandarin Chinese. And here's the best part, you can forget about memorizing 99 different words. Seriously, by the end of this, you'll see just how simple and, honestly, beautiful the pattern is. You'll be able to build every number yourself. So, let's get started. Here's our game plan. We're going to start with the absolute essentials, the numbers 1 through 10. Then, we'll see how to use those to build the teens, 11 to 19. After that, we'll tackle the multiples of 10, and finally, we'll put all those pieces together. We'll wrap things up with a quick practice round to make sure it all sticks. All right, let's start at the very beginning. This is the absolute foundation. I really mean it when I say that everything else we cover today is built on these first 10 numbers. So getting these down is, without a doubt, the most important step. Okay, here they are, 1 through 10. I'm going to say each one very slowly, 2 times. I'd love for you to repeat after me. Let's go. 1 is yi, yi. 2 is er, er. 3 is san, san. 4 is si, si. 5 is wu, wu. 6 is liu, liu. 7 is qi, qi. 8 is ba, ba. 9 is jiu, jiu. And 10 is shi, shi. Fantastic. Remember these 10 words. They are the key to everything else. So now that we have our foundation, let's put it to work. We're going to use those 10 numbers we just learned to easily build the teens from 11 all the way to 19. You'll see how logical this is.
The logic here is incredibly straightforward, almost like a simple math formula. We call it the 10+ rule. To say any number from 11 to 19, you literally just say the word for 10, and then you say the second digit right after it. No new words, no tricks.
Let's see this in action with the number 11. First, you start with the word for 10, which is shi. Then you just add the word for 1, which is yi. You put them together, and what do you get? Shi, yi, 10, 1. It's really that simple. Okay, it's your turn. Using that exact same 10+ logic, how do you think you would say the number 13? Take a moment.
If you thought 10-3, you are absolutely right. You nailed it. You take 10, shi, you add 3, san, and you get shi san. And this beautiful pattern just continues. 14 is shi si, 15 is shi u, and so on. See, you've already got it. You've got the teens down, no problem. So let's move on to the next major building block, how to say 20, 30, 40, all the big round numbers up to 90. The logic for the tens is just as simple, but it's kind of flipped. Instead of 10 plus, think of this as a multiple of 10. So to say 20, you literally say 210. For 30, you'd say 310. So the really crucial thing here is the order. You say the digit first, and then you say 10. Let's try it with 20. We take the number 2, and we follow it with the number 10, shi. Put them together, and you get shi. Literally, 210. Let's say that one more time, nice and clear, shi. This is fantastic. And believe it or not, you now have all the components you need. We've got our 1 through 10, we have the teens, and now we have the multiples of 10. We can put it all together to say literally any number up to 99. Okay, let's build the number 21 together. First, we need to say 20. As we just learned, that's 210 or shi. Then you simply tack on the word for 1 at the end, which is yi. So 21 is shi, 2, 10, 1. It's like stacking blocks. All right, let's have you try one. Using that exact same system we just used for 21, how would you build the number 25? Let's break it down. 20 is 210, shi, and 5 is u, so you just put them together. Shi, u, 2, 10, 5. Do you see the pattern? It's just stacking the pieces we've already learned. You are doing great. Okay, we have covered all the rules, and honestly, the best way to make this all feel second nature is to just practice a little. A number is going to pop up on the screen. Try to say it out loud in Mandarin before I give you the answer. Are you ready? First one up is 44. Give it a shot. The answer is 6 That's 4, 10, 4. Okay, next one, 79. That one is 七十九, 7, 10, 9.
How about this one? 85. The answer is 八十五, 8, 10, 5. And for our last practice number, 96. That would be 九十六, 9, 10, 6. Excellent work.
So let's just quickly recap the entire system. It really all comes down to just 3 simple rules. Rule 1, master 1 through 10. That's your foundation. Rule 2, for the teens, it's a 10 plus number structure, like 十一. And rule 3, for everything else, it's a digit plus 10 plus digit structure, like 二十一. See, it's not about memorizing. It's about understanding this really cool logical system.
And just like that, you have the complete toolkit to count all the way to 99 in Mandarin. So the only question I have for you is this. Now that you know the system, what's the first number you're going to try to say on your own? Maybe your age or today's date. Keep practicing, and thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.